What's up everyone, I'm Bill, I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Well, I'm out on the S1000 in this session. Oh, there it comes. Look at the 2.2 coming in hot. BMW S1000RR is heading back out on track. I'm going right now, so yeah. So we're gonna be in the B.
I was helping a duckling.
No problem. All right, so we're gonna head out in the B+ group, and then Bogdan's going back out in the B- group. So let's get out on track, you guys. 2015 BMW S1000RR, my favorite in the collection, and I've ridden it the least today. Wish I would have ridden this thing more. So we're gonna be out in the B+. Some heat in the tires. Oh, hey little buddy. I remember you. I haven't been, so the S1000, did I ride the S1000 out at Buttonwillow? Actually, you know what? I didn't even take the S1000 out to Buttonwillow, that's right. So for you guys that are here for the S1000, my apologies, because, ooh, group. So we'll just blend in with these guys. Sorry. I still want to get some heat in the tires, so my apologies. This bike. God, it's just so crazy how comfortable I am on this thing. Comparatively, like, see me get on like MV Agusta and I just can't ride that thing. And get on this thing and woo-ha! Pretty remarkable day out here. Just enjoy the ride, guys, because I'm in a zone right now and I'm loving it. It's got some me time. Foot slipped off the peg. I'm exhausted right now, so I apologize for not much talking, but God, I'm so comfortable in this thing. Love this bike. Wow, I love this bike. Well, that was probably the fastest of the weekend, 160. And just like that, the session is over with a quick little low side. It's like, you okay? He says almost made it. No kickstand?
I got it.
You alright?
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Just right at the end, huh?
Well, right at the end, this time do that. When it goes on it, you just lost the front, down it goes, you know?
Yeah. Yeah. Was this already there?
No.
Ah, shit. This is a good bump.
I was happy you could do a couple mellow sessions, you know? You lost the front. I wasn't even on the brakes or nothing.
Huh. The craziest thing happens when you least expect it. All right, he's gonna take care of you. You're good?
Yeah, I'm good. Hey, thanks for
All right, no problem, man. Well, just like that, a little spill, but not bad. Now I don't know if you guys saw. Oh, of course we got the checkered out. So I don't know if you guys saw the I don't know if you guys saw the wreck from earlier, but whew, spectacular wreck. So I'm gonna call that a day for the rides, man. Listen, I appreciate everything you guys do here on the channel. Thank you guys so much for the support. Cali Track Days, thank you so much. Thank you, customers. God, I can't thank you guys enough. I wish I had some more time on this thing, but I really am exhausted. I'm exhausted, and I want to pull the plug when it is a good, safe time to, and right now is a good, safe time to. So thank you guys so much for all the support. Again, I will be out at Chuckwalla, it looks like October 28th, and I will take this with me. So we will be on the BMW, the 2015 BMW S1000RR. I hope you guys enjoyed some good laps on that. I sure did. But until next video, thank you guys for watching. And again, please hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. I love this bike. But thank you guys for your support. We'll see you next video. Bye, guys.